Hey, Scentsy fanatics, welcome back. So as you all know, the new catalog launches February 1st. We are able to order some of the new items early. And I just got in my new kit, which I'm making samples of, FYI. If you need them, let me know. A clean starter, or what we call a clean kit, and a body kit. Okay, so let's start with the new things for our body line. It's actually not new items, but it is new fragrances. So one of the new fragrances they added into the body line for the new spring and summer catalog, it is so good, is Make Waves. Oh, I was just making soak samples with this, but look at this package, the merman on it. And the merwomen, it is so cute. This is an amazing. So what I got was this, in our kit, I got the soak. These are amazing. The soak is amazing. 2 pounds for $12. I mean, one scoop lasts. That's all you need in your tub. So in the Make Waves, I got the Scentsy soap, a hand cream, and a body wash. My grandson really likes this one. I'm not sure where he is, but he's been here. See, Spider-Man's watching over me. Anyway, so Make Waves is new. I do have the brochures to send out, but it's one of the new scents in the body line. Another new scent in the body line is Coconut Daiquiri. That one was really good. It was a limited time offering. Oh, I got it in the sugar scrub and the soak. And these body products are considered consumable, so they can be added to your Scentsy club. So, and stay tuned because we've changed our hand soaps. They got bigger. So excited for that too. The other thing I got that I'm making samples of for everybody was in the clean line. So in clean, we added Coastal Sunset and Make a Splash. Okay, so these two scents, these were new in the catalog last spring and summer, and they came back and they're into more line other than just bars and room sprays and scent circles. So, which is awesome. So we're going to be able to get Coastal Sunset. Wish I could have ordered two because I really need one of these. Now you can get the Coastal Sunset in your dish soap, your all-purpose cleaner, your bathroom clean, your counter clean, and your dish soap. So, once again, if you need samples, I am making them, trying to get them done. Now, I don't have the laundry line with me, but again, they added Coral Waters and Magnolia Linen. Another two scents that were in last year's spring and summer catalog. What I find amazing, almost all the scents that were new in last year's spring and summer catalog are in this catalog. So if you need a catalog, let me know. I can get brochures out to you, samples, but let me know what you need and we'll get them out. So I can't wait for the new catalog. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and talk soon.